automate work hours tracking with n8n in less than 1 minute. Welcome to another AI automation n8n and NoCode tutorial. Today you'll see how to automate work hours tracking, every shift logged, analyzed and summarized by AI automatically. Let's build it, guys. First node is the webhook, the work hours input. The path will be the work hours. His purpose is to receive clock in and clock out data from a form or a system. The fields will be name, date, clock in and clock out. And you'll see on the set node, name, date, clock in, clock out, hours worked, and the timestamp. Purpose is to compute total hour for each entry. The node 3, the OpenAI summarize. Purpose is to let AI analyze trend and generate a short report. The output would be to return insight for HR, average team time and alerts. The for node, the Airtable, his purpose is to save all entry with AI analysis. And the Slack, his purpose is to save all the entry with AI analysis. Overtime work hour, JSON name, JSON date. Okay, so that's how you automate work hours tracking with AI automation n8n and no code. Subscribe for more fast and practical AI power workflow in less than 1 minute. Bye bye.